ना विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सायन्स 1 चा चॅप्टर 1 ग्रॅव्हिटेशन आपण चालू करतोय. या चॅप्टरमध्ये आपण आज युनिव्हर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटेशन हा लॉ स्टडी करणार आहोत. युनिव्हर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटेशन और न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटेशन. Universal law of gravitation or Newton's law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation or Newton's law of gravitation. You know what is meant by gravitation? According to Newton, every object attract to other object in universe. Or according to Newton, every two object have mutual attraction between them. म्हणजे प्रत्येक ऑब्जेक्ट हा दुसऱ्या ऑब्जेक्टला निसर्गामध्ये आकर्षित करतो. And you know here we prove the law of gravitation by using one derivation. Here, according to Newton, every two objects have attraction between them. Every two objects have attraction between them. And Newton can state one law by derive the formula, that force of attraction between two objects. Here formula to derive or formula here to calculate force of attraction between two objects. Here there is derivation. Here we derive the formula to calculate the force of attraction between two objects according to Newton's law, and then we write the statement from that formula. Here you know that is, for example, that is object A and object B. Object A and object B. M1 is the mass of first object and M2 is the mass of second object, and distance between two objects is d. D is the distance between two objects. Means here mass of first object M1, mass of second object M2, distance between two objects is d. And according to Newton, force of attraction between the two objects is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Here object A attracts towards object B and object B also attracts towards object A. Here according to Newton's law, that force of attraction between two objects is directly proportional to M1 and M2. Product of masses directly proportional to product of their masses M1 and M2. That is we call equation 1. And here force of attraction is inversely proportional to d square. That is equation 2. force of attraction is directly proportional to m1 and m2, and force of attraction is inversely proportional to d square. Adding 1 and 2, here force of attraction is directly proportional to product of m1 and m2 and inversely proportional to d square. Here we remove this formula, or we remove this proportionality sign. Here this formula gets converted. F equals to capital G m1 m2 upon d square. Here G equals to gravitational constant. G equals to gravitational constant, and this is the formula to calculate the force of attraction between two objects by using the gravitational constant. Means that what is the statement according to this formula? That is statement of law. What is the statement of Newton's law of gravitation or universal law of gravitation? That is, the force of attraction between two objects is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. That is the statement of Newton's law of gravitation or universal law of gravitation. Here question is that state the universal law of gravitation and derive the formula. The total notes is the answer of this question. Here is a statement and that is the derivation.